Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this video, we will present discuss about the previous materials as mid-semester test English courses. Hello, Hafiz. How are you today?
Hello Fadhiel, I am fine. And you?
I am fine too. By the way, I am want to discuss you about the learning topic previous English courses.
Okay. What are the topics we will discuss?
Do you remember the a topic in the first studies?
Yes, I remember it. For the first lesson, I introduced myself and others.
Can you show me about yourself, Hafiz?
Of course, Fadhiel. My name is Hafiz Almahfuz Agusti. Most of people call me Hafiz or Apis. It's my nickname. I come from 50 Kota Regency where I finished my study last year. Do you remember this topic?
Yeah, I remember now.
Okay, now it's your turn to introduce yourself.
Okay, my name is M.Pd. You can call me Fadhiel. I'm come from pesisir selatan Regency.
That's good, Fadil. I know you remember that.
Yeah, that is good now. Now I will ask you after reading introduction that do you in the task one?
At task 1, we made a video about introducing ourselves and another person, then upload it on YouTube.
Who partner in your video?
They are my sister and my brother.
Okay, can you repeat the introduction on your partner, Hafiz?
With pleasure. I have an older sister. Her name is Fardatil Aini Agusti. I usually call her Kaini. Now she is on preparation to continue her study this year.
Wow, that is very explanation.
Thank you. By the way, on the task 3, we talk about personality, right?
Yeah, of course.
No, I asked you to tell about your personality.
Okay, my personality. I'm the type of person who like to find new things that I have never known before. Usually to find out with some experience that might explain what I don't know. With my relatively closet nature to sociality, I'm happy to find new things on my own with the help existing technology, but still communicate with other people even though there are not many.
Hmm, you have a very good personality. I'm impressed.
Okay, thanks, Hafiz. What do you talk about some personality in the text for?
I'm talking about my siblings' personality.
Okay, can you repeat that talking about him?
Yeah, of course. I want to tell you about my brother personality. His name is Wafi. He is a smart boy and he has a good voice. He sings very well. Several months ago, he won a singing competition.
Wow, your brother is have a good story, Hafiz.
Yes, but it has already passed, not the present.
Talking about the present, we have learning about the simple present tense. Do you know about of simple present tense?
Simple present tense is a verb tense which is used to show repetition, habit, or generalization.
Uh, okay, can you explain to the present tense?
The example of the present tense are I speak English every day, you read that book, and is he a good man?
I understand that is no, it is.
Besides that, we have also studied the simple past tense. What do you know about the simple past tense?
Simple past tense is certain tense use the express event that occurred in the past and have ended in the past. Contrast to the past perfect tense, which states event that occurs in the past, but are still happening in the present. In the simple present tense, the verb use the second form of the verb.
Hmm, can you give me some examples?
For example, is she joined the English club class in the at the school yesterday. And another example is many kids did not like the horror movie.
Hmm, I just remember in week 5 we learned present continuous tense.
Oh yes, I just remembered.
Tell me about present continuous tense that you know.
The present continuous verb tense indicates that an action or condition is happening now, frequently, and many continue into the future. The present continuous formula is to be am, as, are plus verb present participle.
What is an example from this present continuous tense?
The example is Aun Christian is warming up the car.
You are right. Thanks for the knowledge.
Yes, I also thanks for you discussing the learning topic English course. See you next time, Hafiz.
See you too, Fadhiel. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next video.